Hello and welcome to a quick little MyEdBC tutorial on how to find what students in SD48 have permission for GSuite. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into MyEdBC. You're in Staff View. You're going to go to Students, and then this is going to, normally it would be here at Students in My Classes, so this is the filter. And what I want to do is I want to choose a field set. And the field set I want to choose is GSuite 2. So I was already on it. Now, miscellaneous 3 is actually whether they have permission for GSuite. So this is what we need to be able to do in our CLE and CLC classes is get these kids on because they're going to need it for all their classes. Well, at least all the classes where teachers use GSuite. And they need to be able to see the website for CLE, CLC, and it is going to be managed, or it has rules on it that only allow you to see it if you're in the GSuite. So we're in here, we have all your students, but we want students in those classes. So what I did was I went into my pages or my attendance, and I went into my class attendance, and I just copied these codes into here. Put them on here, and these are my 3 different classes. So you have to do this 3 different times. And what I do is I take this is my first class, and I'm going to go Control C. MyEdBC, we've got it managed to our students. Field set GSuite 2 again, right? Go back up, we're going to filter, and we're going to filter by course selection. And I'm going to go Control V, and I'm going to submit. And so these are all my students in grade 10. Now, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go Report, Quick Report, and I'm not even going to look closely at this. I'm just going to hit Next, 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 and Finish. Okay, and then I could hit Control P for print if I want to print this out. But I think even easier is I go here, I'm going to go Control C, and I'm going to go File, New, Spreadsheet. And this is, you could do this either in Excel or in a GSuite. And so I'm just going to call this GSuite CLE CLC. And I'm just going to paste it in here. And then I'm going to go back to MyEdBC after I copy my second class, Control C. And move into here, and again I'm going to filter by course selection. I'm going to paste that in there by hitting Control V. I'm going to submit, report, quick report, next, 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 and finish. Then I'm going to copy, but not including the heading this time. Go Control C, paste it in here. Control V, and again you could do this in Excel if you're more familiar with Excel. I'm going to start saving all my stuff in my Google Drive, and back to MyEdBC after I copy my 3rd course code, which I believe is my grade 11s. Filter, course selection, paste, submit, report, quick report. You're going to hit next a whole bunch of times. And finish. And then I'm going to copy those. Now that I've gotten all of them, I'm going to highlight the C column. And I'm going to go to Data, sort by column C, A to Z. And then I could, if I wanted, again, data, sort by G, column A to Z. And then you can see that these are my only students that do not have permission. So it's nice and easy to see. And that is how you find out who you got to hound to get their permission click in. And you should be able to find the link for that, for permission click, or hand them a paper copy. Thanks for watching.